Hi everyone, I'm Jody.
And I'm Laura from the Customer Success team. We want to start by thanking you for joining us today.
Whether you're a first-time exhibitor or a returning participant, this webinar will provide you with all of the essential details to ensure you're fully prepared for a smooth and successful experience.
You will be assigned a dedicated customer success specialist who will reach out to begin supporting you. Your customer success specialist will be your go-to resource during your exhibitor journey. We're here to help whether you have a quick question or need more detailed guidance, and if we don't know the answer right away, we'll make sure to connect you with someone who does. Our goal is to support you every step of the way, before the show, on site, and even after the show wraps up. We're so thrilled to have you as part of the Premiere community. This webinar is designed to walk you through the next steps, starting off with the Exhibitor Resource Guide. You can access the ERG on the show website under Exhibit and Exhibitor Resource Guide. The ERG contains important links and information for the event, including the link to OnPeak, the only official hotel provider for the show. They make it easy to find accommodations that suit your needs and budget. Whether you're looking for something affordable or a more upscale experience, there are great options at every price point. These rooms do fill up quickly, so we recommend booking early through the OnPeak portal to secure the best rates and locations. Insurance is required for the show. You can use the link on the ERG to access exhibitorinsurance.com to purchase or upload your COI for verification. If you need a sample COI for insurance requirements, please reach out to your customer success specialist. By clicking on Order Booth Services on the ERG, you will access our official contractor's website, where you can order furniture, labor, and more for your booth. By clicking on Additional Exhibitor Services, you will be able to order utilities, internet, AV, catering, and more. Booth design is key to maximize attendee engagement. Some things to keep in mind are visual impact, bold graphics and vibrant colors to draw attention to your booth, and strategic lighting to highlight products. Product showcase. Schedule regular demonstrations to create buzz and enable hands-on interactions with products, and interactive elements. Incorporate touchscreens and digital displays, and consider virtual reality for immersive product experiences. Effective booth designs balances visual appeal with functionality to create memorable experiences that convert visitors into leads. Please review booth displays rules and regulations before designing your booth. All raw booth spaces need to submit designs for approval. Both can be found on the Exhibitor Resource Guide.
If you're looking to maximize your engagement with attendees, consider ordering lead retrieval services through CompuSystems. This service allows you to scan attendee badges and collect valuable contact information. You can find the ordering link in the Exhibitor Resource Guide on the show website or order it on site at the Exhibitor Service Center. It's a great way to follow up with potential customers after the event and make the most of your time at Premiere. Promoting your presence at Premiere is key to driving traffic to your booth and making the most of your investment. That's where the Exhibitor Promo Kit comes in, your all-in-one resource to help you spread the word, build anticipation, and invite your audience to connect with you at the show. You can access the Promo Kit via the Exhibitor Resource Guide. Let's talk about getting your materials to the event. You have two shipping options to choose from. The Advanced Warehouse Shipping. This option allows you to ship your materials to the advanced warehouse address ahead of time. Your items will be stored and transported to your exhibit space before the event begins, or the direct shipping to the event venue. If you prefer, you can ship directly to show site address. If you decide to use the advanced shipping option, you will ship your materials to the advanced warehouse address. And if you decide to ship directly to the event, you will use the show site address. If you're using a third-party carrier, you will need a bill of lading from our official general contractor for move-out. You will find all of the necessary shipping information in the Exhibitor Resource Guide under Shipping Information. If you're driving one of the approved vehicles to the loading dock during move-in, you'll have the option to hand carry your materials to your booth. You can find all of the details on the self-unload on the Exhibitor Service Manual. We're so excited about what we're creating together at Premiere, and we're committed to making sure that you have everything you need for a successful show.
Thank you for your time, and we can wait to see you soon.